Bitcoin price did not crash 60% due to coronavirus, says Binance CEO. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about mentioned news, and we're also going to see what the Bitcoin price is doing right now and what happened in the previous 2 days, why we jumped so high. And now, let's begin. And also, I want to tell you that I didn't want to record the previous 2-3 days because I wanted to see how Bitcoin will play out around this area over here after breaking up this consolidating triangle that we had. And also, I'm working in health sector, so I'm working like 10 to 15 hours because of the coronavirus that we have in the world in general. So here in Norway is also very chaotic situation. So first, to get back on 4-hourly chart and a consolidating triangle, I did expect this triangle to break on the bearish side because of the trend. So you need to follow trend always, no matter what. As we can see, Bitcoin did not listen to us and broke on the bullish side. Here is also very important to mention 20 exponential moving average, which is giving pretty good level of support and resistance as we can see, because many traders are trading by this moving average. Now, even better situation is on daily chart, because 20 exponential moving average on daily chart is one of the most important ones after the weekly. So what happened actually over here is that the Bitcoin broke bullish after this triangle together with $6,000, and already today we are finding some sort of a level of support or even trading a little bit below $6,000, which is very good. We need to expect Bitcoin to retest some major level of resistances before starts to go on the way to the upside. Now, one of the things that concerns me over here is the pretty good rejection from 20 exponential moving average on daily chart. Why I'm saying this is because we have pretty long week over here, and that means that this area over here is full with selling orders, and the bears are just not giving us the chance to actually break this 20 exponential moving average. So which means the many traders, as the 20 exponential moving average go on the way to the downside to make sure it's keeping pressure on the bulls, are going to push the traders to put some sort of a sell walls and orders around it and push the price further lower. So this is what concerns me, is this week over here that we have, and in the next days or so we need to see Bitcoin stay above $6,000, trying to retest 20 exponential moving average, and after that on some sort of a way break it and find the level of support. This is the reason why I'm not trading this, and this is pretty good reason to actually lose money if you put it into the trade. So I wouldn't trade this if I were you. I also mentioned this news that the Bitcoin price did not crash 60% or whatever due to coronavirus. The Bitcoin price crashed because of the whole situation on the markets and on the stocks, and even stocks did not crash because of the coronavirus. Stocks, bonds, and every single other market crashed because the economy was bad, pumped on artificially way, and also it's coronavirus is just a trigger, as the Binance CEO says here. In 2008 there wasn't a pandemic pausing global economy, but I believe the coronavirus is just a trigger, not the root cause. Our economy should be stronger, at least strong enough to survive some shocks. So also the same situation you can say also for World War I, because it didn't start because Franz Ferdinand was dead, was killed by Serbians. I'm Serbian, by the way. No, we were actually some sort of a trigger to start the war begin, but we were not caused because the whole world was already in big problems and it escalated enough to start the new World War I. That's the same situation happening right now. The trigger is just corona panic, enough to push the Bitcoin or any other asset a little bit lower, so and everybody else could follow those patterns and push the price even further lower. I really don't know what is going on with this internet over here. As we can see, the stock market still did not recover. So yeah, if you push a little bit sell orders on the way to the downside, of course the masses will follow and the panic will occur. So this was the cause. That's what actually Binance CEO is telling us over here. Interesting fact over here about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is the only asset that is going on the way to the upside. At least for now, we did decline from 20 exponential moving average. I do expect more fight over here between bulls and bears, but we can see the every other asset, and the market is actually down, trying to recover, but still, even after those prints of money and pouring money into the space, many assets are still down while Bitcoin is trying to recover. So we will see how this will actually end up. Is this dead cat bounce, or is this actually start of the new rally? Make sure you observe 20 exponential moving average, because it's going to be main indicator to show you in which trend is Bitcoin coming in. Also, one of the important thing that we need to mention is MACD on daily chart has been bottoming out over here, and even better thing is that the histogram is showing us weak selling pressure over here, and those two moving averages are trying to convert onto the bullish side. So for now, everything is going well. And if we switch on weekly chart over here, we can see that we are still below 20 weekly exponential moving average, but are above 200, which in past, as I showed you on the Bitstamp on previous videos, showed pretty good support for the Bitcoin. Even so, we did close below it. I also told you that if we don't get back on the track above this in the next week, it's going to be a big problem for the Bitcoin. But as we can see, Bitcoin did recover over here and locked above this line. I mean, week is not over yet, but yeah, until tomorrow, I do hope that we will hold this this line over here, lock above it, and start to trying to actually start a new rally. Also, don't forget that the halving is coming, so it will help the Bitcoin price grow on the way to the upside, at least on a long-term perspective. Since there is nothing special on the markets, the next video would be probably at Monday, especially because tomorrow I'm working 15 hours on my job. So yeah, we will see how the Bitcoin price will actually react on those levels, and how will it end up, where we will find actually an established new level of support. I want to ask you to hit that like and subscribe button in order for us to build this channel for you and continue working on the technical analysis over here. Also, I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As and always, until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.